Hi everybody, and welcome to the middle of nowhere. If you've been wanting to upgrade your PC or build a new one, or get a next-gen console, then you know how hard it's been to find these AMD and Nvidia GPUs and CPUs, or the PS5 and Xbox Series X in stock, let alone at MSRP prices. So in today's video, I want to share with you the tips, tricks, and strategies I've been using these last few months to successfully buy various PC parts, as well as a PS5 that it was a gift for my son and wife. In turn, I hope these same tips, tricks, and strategies help you get that sought-after tech you've been wanting for so long. Release day is probably your best chance at getting an item, as it's the starting line for everyone involved. If you can find out the time and day of a release, you'll be able to be ready and to hit that add to cart button and complete your purchase. Over the last few months, AMD's and Nvidia's CPUs and GPUs respectively have been releasing around 8 a.m. Central Standard Time, although the days have kind of varied between Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. So keep this in mind for the as of yet released products that are coming in the next few months from AMD, Nvidia, and even Intel. After initial release, it's more of a crapshoot, but there are quite a few hours or time frames that you should continually have in your mind to be able to check throughout the day. Think of these times as more of a guideline than a hard set, a drop will occur, and it's kind of sporadic, but I've noticed early in the morning and later in the afternoon into early evening is when the most drops have frequently happened. So be ready, have your phone ready, have your websites ready, whatever, to be able to hit that add to cart button so that you can be successful in your purchase. Tuesdays seem to be a huge drop, in particular for Best Buy. In the morning, very early morning, probably around anywhere from 6 to 8 a.m. to 8 a.m. Central Standard Time again, Best Buy tends to drop a lot of inventory. So again, keep that in mind and hopefully it will help you make a successful purchase. So what do I mean by always be ready? It's pretty simple actually. Have your web browser open to the product that you want and to multiple stores. So you're gonna have a lot of tabs on your web browser open at any given time. So for instance, if you want a 5900X, don't just have that tab open to Amazon only, have it open for Amazon, Best Buy, Walmart, Newegg, and other stores that you can think of. Additionally, if you want multiple products, you're going to be doing that multiple times. And I keep saying multiple, and that's okay. So after you've got that all sorted, the first thing you're going to want to do when you log into your computer in the morning is hit F5 on each of those tabs to refresh the page, and you might hit pay dirt right then and there, especially if you're logging in at one of the times that drops tend to occur, that I've already previously mentioned. Secondly, have your phone, if you have a smartphone, ready as well. Have the app loaded to the product that you want, or for convenience sake, to get to it quickly, make a wish list. This way you can just go to your wish list, tap on the product, and instantly be taken to it and see if it's in stock. If you work from home or have easy access to your phone throughout the day, try and keep it up to the product that you want to get as well. The app will automatically update. So for instance, I work from home, so I was able to have my phone open and next to me all day long, and had been looking for the RTX 3090 Strix. Out of the corner of my eye during the workday, I saw that the app updated and add to cart was available. I stopped what I was doing and I just quickly bought the card and went back to work. Of course, the strategy works best for those like me who work from home or can have easy access to that phone all day long, or have their browser open to multiple shopping pages as well without getting in trouble. If you're unable to do this, hopefully this next set of tips will still help you be able to get that item, but it does require you have access to your smartphone. Social media and stock tracking sites are great resources for you to use to be able to see if something is in stock and also where. I've been using nowinstock.net and gearinstock.com to get notifications when something drops. You can have notifications sent to you via email, text, or using the chat program Telegram. What Telegram is an app. It's like WhatsApp. It's basically a messenger app that a lot of companies have been using for promotions and stuff, that is free to use and you can just download it to your phone. I've been getting notifications from both of those sites sent to me, and what will happen is if something's in stock, I'll receive a notification. There's a link on there that will take me to the store. All I have to do is tap it, go to the store, and if it's still in stock, complete the checkout. Twitter is another tool at your disposal. Newegg has been regularly announcing when drops are going to occur, so it might be worth following them and turning on notifications for their tweets. Finally, I joined the Discord server ATR-Stonks. If you don't know what Discord is, it's a video and chat program that's free to use and download that you can use on your phone or your computer. The owner of ATR Stonks developed a program that scours the internet for items that it's tracking to be in stock. Once it finds something in stock, it makes a chat announcement with a link to where it is, and all you have to do is be ready and see that announcement, and then click the link and complete your purchase if it's still available. It's kind of like how Now Stock and Gear in Stock do their announcements through Telegram, text, etc. Not only has the program been helpful in getting items, but the community as well. Oftentimes you'll find someone post a link to something that's available and tell you to go on and get it really quick before it's gone, before even the program does. And so it's been really helpful. For instance, I was able to get the PS5 through Amazon this way because someone had just happened to be looking at Amazon and it popped up on stock. So I went and bought it, and this was in late November. For those of you interested in joining the Discord server, I left an invite link in the description down below. Using Apple Pay, Android/Google Pay, or even Amazon's Buy Now feature is a great way to save time. Essentially, it's a one-click checkout. For instance, when I bought the RTX 3090 on Newegg, I used Apple Pay through the app, and all I had to do was tap Apple Pay and it completed the purchase for me. I essentially saved about 30 seconds. And while this doesn't seem like a lot of time during the checkout process, you have to remember, you're not only racing bots, you're racing a bunch of other people as well trying to buy the same thing. By avoiding the normal checkout process, I didn't have to pick my address, pick my payment method, and pick my shipping address, which again, like I said, saved around 30 seconds or so. When time is essential, having one-click checkout is really beneficial. Second, have multiple payment methods ready because you never know if something gets automatically canceled for whatever reason. For example, through Walmart.com, I went and bought a 5950X and it was canceled 4 times in a row. I changed my payment method to PayPal, which for whatever reason worked, but uses the same card as what's attached to Walmart, but it went through. So if you run into obstacles like this, consider changing your payment method as well, and it might help you get that item that you've been so desperately wanting. Because there was manufacturing and supply chain issues all last year, because more people now than ever are working from home and attending school from home, because demand for tablets and mobile phones has skyrocketed, and because cryptocurrency mining is once again profitable, all the parts we need to be able to build a PC successfully are both in high demand and on short supply, and now increasing in cost. And if you're like me and are in the US, the tariffs for products coming from China are also going to just further increase costs. Put all of these factors together, add some GPU and CPU launches that didn't have enough supply while having huge demand, and 2020 made for the perfect storm for lack of PC part availability. And it doesn't look like 2021 is going to get any better. I bring all this up because typically when someone is putting together a new PC, they figure out what parts they want, and then they go and buy all of them in one go. This just isn't an option right now. If you're building a new PC, buy the parts as you find them, as long as they're decently priced, and do not wait. Just, I need a RAM, here's RAM at a good price, I'm gonna buy it, I'm gonna buy the case, I'm gonna buy the power supply, etc. Oh, my GPU isn't ready, isn't available, I'll just have to wait. That's fine. You might be sitting on some parts for a while. Having said this, if you cannot wait for a new computer, then go through one of the system builders like Maingear, Origin, or CyberPower. You can find a decently priced computer, and it might not be exactly what you wanted or the specs that you wanted, but at least it will be an entire machine readily available for you. Finally, my last tip is just to simply have patience, and I've been guilty of being impatient by a lot. You can just ask my wife, or don't, she probably doesn't want to talk to you. She's shy. But anyway, yeah, have patience. You'll get the item, the console, the PC part, whatever you want eventually. It took me 2 months to be able to get the graphics card I wanted, and I placed an order for the 5950X on November 5th, the day it came out. The store I bought it from has basically told me, you'll get it anywhere from January to March. So I don't even know when I'm getting that part. Ultimately, I just gotta be patient. And that's all I have to say about that. I hope the tips, tricks, and strategies that I've listed above will help you get that PC part or console that you've been seeking. Thanks for watching, everybody. If you liked what you saw, hit that like button, share any questions or comments, as well as success stories and successful strategies that helped you get that part or console that you've been wanting down below. And you can show your support for the channel by hitting that subscribe button. And don't forget to click on notifications so you don't miss out on any future content. I'm Seth, and I'll see you next time in the middle of nowhere.